Hey my guys, welcome back in this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. Now in this video I'm going to be walking with you, showing you how this stuff works out in simple terms so that we don't waste a lot of time here. So I'm going to be showing this very fast and then show you how the thing works. Now this is it. Yeah. Sort of I'm actually late, but I wanted to first show something nice. The system handles off all of those payments and all those stuff. So all this, you know what it does. So I'm just showing the admin part today. Now, and then the next, and that's just like after this video, I'm going to show you the other section for the user. Is it okay? Yeah. So here, if you cross check on the inventory. The system tracks up check payment, update payment, and delete. Because I left all those stuffs, it even picks up also the records. And this section is for suppliers product store. That implies someone else supplied you guys with the product. You view from here. That's what is there on ground. And then also, if you cross check the other way around, you can also view those products. Even the date in which it is today, so it tracks up today, which is like it didn't even tell you the real date because you never know, because it knows that you can print it also. Which then, if you happen to print it, stores up all those stuffs like for us in the system. So this is how it works up, like something like that. It shows up all those details for us. Tells us with the quantity, the price. Now we told me this one not called the SP, it's called this 2000 blah blah then dot S pound. So I'm just going to change that. I'll change that. Then the same thing happens here. Now when you click here to view admin product section, when you click there like this, it takes you to the admin section. This administrator product store, products purchased, the product which you have purchased from the view from the supplier. You see, so when you supply in the event on the supplier's product, we have here a link which takes us to go to go and view the admin product store. You get? And inside admin product, inside the inventory here, we'll just go here to inventory, take it to this page. This is a page you can add more products. You get? Now inside there we have another link which takes us to view admin product store. When you click there, takes us to this product store, which even that means is going to change the price. Remember, that means to change this this price here, the unit price. The products might be the same, like maybe I'll simply say quantity is this, it is a whatever, sugar is that, blah blah. But if you really look onto that product, this one here, it is the same money this one here you are seeing. You get? It's only give you, because when you get 40 times 2, it gives us 80,000. That is the supplier's product's price. But now we need to look onto the purchase price, the price that a supplier, the owner of the product, the admin, you get? The price in which the admin is going to be selling up the product is inside the admin, is inside one as the purchase, inside admin, the administrator's purchase store, inside the admin purchase store. So what happens there you can actually change the selling price. Get? You can change the selling price of a given product. Are you getting me? Then also on the other way around, we can also update the selling price. I see, update the inventory. If you are saying 40, even the other side the system, because you don't need to change the quantity, just need to update. Even updating now here, we are only changing the inventory, like changing up on us the selling, the purchase price. I mean the price per unit It's like how much are you going to sell each. You have already bought the product from the admin, from the supplier. It was giving you 2,000 each, and you have bought 50 of 20 of 30, 40 of them. It's easy to change this price here, and by the time you change and update that, everything in the other side is going to become affected, and in that table is going to be affected a little bit. Like for instance, if you check here, this is the view admin, this admin section. Here it shows that actually the amount is 80,000, because that's the price you took here. But if you upgrade here and you say, you know what, I'm going to be selling it at 3,000, and all of everything is successful, it implies in simple terms that price is going to be changed. That's what I can say. Yeah. Get? And I think you can see the quantity remains. Then our price unit, as you can see, unity price is at 3,000. Now this is what the worker is going to see. When someone, they'll not even see these details, blah blah blah, they'll just be seeing straight away. This is what they'll be seeing. They'll just be seeing here one as the product name. They'll just be seeing the product name straight away with the local name. And for them, what they'll just see the quantity in the store, and they'll be seeing the price per unit. That's what those workers are going to be seeing on their table. I get it. So and if that's what they're going to be seeing on their table, it implies this side around they'll no longer be in position to change anything, but they'll be seeing the unity price happen to be provided by the admin. Good? That's how it is like. So let me get back to you again. Thank you.